Hello everyone and welcome to the Jude Akinkwade channel. If this is your first time, I welcome you. Please do subscribe, like and share this video with everyone preparing for the November diet examination. If it's not your first time, thank you for always engaging with my content. In this video, I would be sharing with you what to expect in your forthcoming PSAF November diet examination. Okay, so this is for skilled students preparing for the public sector accounting and finance examination. I've done this using the trend analysis based on what ICAN has examined over the years, and I will be showing you what to expect in your forthcoming November diet examination. I've categorized all the topics into three major categories. The first category are topics you should give premium priority to, and they are highlighted in gold. The next category are topics you should give priority to, which are highlighted in yellow. And the last category are topics you should pay attention to, which are highlighted in blue. Okay, so very quickly, let me share with you the topics you should pay attention to in the order that I've just mentioned. The first topic is your budgeting and budgetary controls. Budgeting and budgetary control. This is the most examined, one of the most examined topics in ICAN. It's been examined 15 times from November 2014 up to May 2021. Okay, so it's been a while this topic has been examined, and you should keep an eye for this in your November diet examination. All right, so that's pretty okay. The next topic to that you should give premium attention to is your introduction to public finance. Okay, introduction to public finance was okay. It was extensively examined in last diet. Okay, but you still want to pay attention to introduction to public finance. All right, because it's one of the topics that I kind of loves to play around with. All right, so that's those are the two topics in that category. Let's move to the next category. The category is the topics highlighted in yellow. All right, so we're starting from your other IPSAS. Other IPSAS, do pay attention to that. I know it was examined last diet also, so you want to give priority to other IPSAS. It's been examined 11 times from November 2014 to May 2023. Okay, now next to that is your preparation and interpretation of your financial statements for government on accrual basis and cash basis. All right, this is another topic that I can love to examine. All right, it was last examined last diet, I know, but you still want to give priority to those topics. Okay, next to that is your emerging issues in Nigerian public sector. Emerging issues in Nigerian public sector. This was last examined November 2021. All right, so you want to keep an eye for this particular topic. Okay, now that's all about that category. All right, so once you're done with that, you want to move to the categories in blue, starting from public debt. Okay, starting from public debt. Public debt has been examined 15 times from November 2014 up to last diet. So you want to pay attention to public debt, then followed by project appraisal in public sector. Project appraisal in public sector is been examined 10 times, and it was last examined May 2022. So keep an eye for this. So once you're done with all the topics, all the categories, those in gold, in yellow, in blue, we can now start attending to the topics that are not have not been highlighted at all. Okay. So if I would advise, you can this has been examined last time, so you may not necessarily you can just come to this last. All right. So the ones that were not examined last time are the ones you should pay attention to in those categories. All right, so you can pay attention to public sector audit and accounting for public sector and GPEs, right? Because it's been last examined in May 2021. Is that okay? You can also pay attention to fiscal federalism. Was last examined in May 2021 also. All right, so are you following this? And you can pay attention to functions of cash office, which was last examined in November 2019. All right, so that is what to do. Okay, so very quickly I've shared with you what to expect in your November diet examination. So you can always watch this video to write out all of those questions for the various topics. All right, Now, all right, so I'm going to be sharing the PDF file of this forecast with an exclusive set of people. I'll let you know who these people are, okay? But before that, let me quickly share what I would recommend, how you should read, how you should revise, how you should prepare going forward. I would recommend that you start your revision based on a topic by topic basis. So do not try to solve past questions based on a yearly basis. Don't take a past question and solve question one, question two in that order. No, you might get discouraged trying to do that. Solve your past questions, study and revise based on a topic by topic basis, as I've explained in this video. So you want to take budgeting and budgetary controls of all the questions on that budgeting and budgetary controls, move to the next topic, to the next topic, to the next topic, and max it out like that. That's the best approach to study, to revise, and to prepare. Okay, so if you cannot solve all the questions, do solve the minimum of 40 to 50% of the number of times the question was examined. So take for instance, this has been examined 15 times. So you want to solve a minimum of 5 to about 7 or 8 questions around this particular topic. Okay, so that is what you want to do all through. So this is what happens when you follow this approach. You're studying, you're revising, you're solving past questions at the same time on a sitting, right? So it's not you studying topics, you're studying different topics, then you want to start solving past questions. As while you're solving past questions, you realize that you've forgotten what you read earlier. No, you don't have time for all those technicalities right now. All right. So you want to study, you want to revise, and you want to solve questions on at the same time on the sitting. So once you follow the approach that I just shared with you, you would observe that you would not necessarily have to go through the stress of having to pick up the topic again, because you do not have that time anymore. Okay, so 80% of what you would read at this time, you would be assimilating to stick to you. All right, because you studied, you solved questions, right? So when you're doing that, what you've studied sticks. All right, so you're assimilating better, you're assimilating more because of repetition. All right, so there are a lot of processes involved which I can start explaining in this video. All right, just know that this approach I just recommended would help you greatly. All right, so again, I just shared with you what to expect in the November 9 examination, and I've given you strategies around study and revising. What if I can show you exactly how to answer your examination question so that you score all the mark or majority of the mark allocated to each of the questions? All right, either they are theory based or calculation based question. Okay, so I've created a video called the How to Answer ICAN Examination Question Excellently video, and in this video I did a comprehensive analysis. I shared at least 12 proven strategies on how to answer your examination question. With this video, you can be rest assured that you won't be lost for thoughts, right? You would know exactly how to answer any question you face or you meet in your examination. All right. What if you do not know how to answer? What if you don't have an idea about a question? Right. In this video, I also share what to write when you do not have an idea about a particular question. So I tell you exactly what to write in your answer booklet so that you will be scoring marks for those questions you do not know anything about. All right, and you'll be scoring at least the minimum. You can score a minimum of 5 marks for those questions you do not have an idea about. All right, so imagine you want to answer question 3. All right, you don't have a choice. All right, you don't even have an idea about the other questions, and question 3 looks like something you can just try. Okay, and question 3 is 20 marks. Okay, so question 3 has 4 subsections, section A, B to D, right? 5 marks each. I can share in this video. I share with you how to score. You can score a minimum of 5 to 7 marks, right? Remember, you don't have an idea about the question. All right. So in this video, once again, I share proven strategies on how to answer examination questions excellently. I also give live examples. So I took certain examples from your Pathfinder, from the past questions, and to illustrate how to answer questions. I show you how to understand what to write whenever you say a particular question, the hidden secrets or the hidden requirements of the examiners, everything. They are all in this video. Okay, so after watching this value packed video, you would fully comprehend how the ICAN marking guide works. and its requirements. You would master how to approach each question based on the marks allocated. You would be able to decode the minds of your examiners, as well as possess a powerful strategy for answering your examination questions excellently. You would feel empowered to mark your examination script while in the hall, and also you'll be able to stretch your minimum mark to an impressive 70%. So this is not a game of survival. It's not a game of getting 50%. No, 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 no. It's an excellence game. It's an excellence league. With this video, once you lay your hands on this video, once you purchase this video, it's a one-time fee of 5,000 naira. It's just 5,000 naira for all the value that you will be getting from this video. All right, and you can start ordering you can start ordering this video. The payment link is on the screen below. Seller.co/mark. You can copy and paste this onto your browser, seller.co/mark, or click on the link in the description of this video. So the link is in the description of this video. You can just click on the link to get your copy of the video. It's a one-time payment of 5,000, and with this video, you are rest assured that your success is guaranteed. So I want you to go ahead and get this video for yourself. It's very important. Okay, very important. Now, for those that will be getting the video, you would also be given access to the PDF file of the forecast that I gave earlier. So you don't need to keep replaying the video to copy out the questions for each topic. I would be giving you the PDF file automatically, right? So when you make your purchase, I would contact you via email to send your PDF file to you. All right. Thank you very much for watching my video. If this is your first time, thank you once again. Please do subscribe, like, and share this video with those around you preparing for the ICAN examination. If it's not your first time, thank you for always engaging with my videos, my content. Please do recommend this video and do all you can for those just joining and those that are not just joining. Do all you can to lay your hands on this video. It would help you. It can make a lot of difference between you passing, getting 49%, getting 20%, and exceeding excelling in this November diet examination. All right, thank you all very much. I would see you in the next video.